yellow line until the doors are fully opened. Once inside, you can choose a row and sit wherever you like. We just ask you to leave our top 2 rows and a portion of the front row that's reserved for guests traveling in wheelchairs and their parties. Alright, so just make sure that please stay behind the yellow line until the doors are fully opened. Once inside, you can choose a row and sit wherever you like. We just ask you to leave our top 2 rows and a portion of the front row that's reserved for guests traveling in wheelchairs and their parties. Alright, so just make sure.
Hey, Walt, what are we going to see in here anyway? 3D movie. Put on your glasses, Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask. That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady.
During the show, please no flash photography, video lighting, or cell phone.
Gonzo?
Oh, sorry, boss.
Hi-ho, Kermit Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Now, let me show you around our research center. See, here in this modern high-tech facility... Hey, be careful! Here in this modern high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D. A new film process which we're about to demonstrate today. Now, working the projector is an old friend of ours, the Swedish chef. Chef, everything okay?
Hoppen, your machine is going to flumy.
Exactly. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy.
Little?
Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping, major song from Miss Piggy.
That's more like it.
Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
Did you say cheap 3D tricks? And here's something I wanted to spring on you.
Walmart, it's that dumb bear again. Hey, Bear, you're not even funny in 3D.
Oh, not you guys. How did you get here?
We entered a contest. Yeah, we lost.
Oh, yeah? Well, my new 3D act's gonna shower you all with humor. Waka waka.
Trying to drown us. What kind of act is that? Mercy.
Well, listen, better luck next time, Fozzie. Okay? And now, if you'll come this way, I can show you our secret laboratory. You see, we invited distinguished scientists from all over the world to come and work here. Unfortunately, none of them showed up. So instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and they can show you some of their... right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Beaker.
Well, thank you, Mr. Kermit. Today, let's look at the advancements we've been working on for Muppet Vision. Beaker, would you turn on the machine? We at Muppet Labs have been able to grab hold of the future. The wheels of progress turn swiftly here as we strike upon ways to bring science safely to you. This user-friendly machine will now generate the first living 3D effect just by flicking a simple switch.
I'm Waldo, the spirit of 3D.
Thank you.
Here. Ooh, cute outfit. What's this? Don't you just hate it when your nose runs? You know, all these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you.
Well, I think I'll be just about enough of Waldo, Beaker. You may deactivate.
What? What are you... Watch it.
Oh dear, he won't deactivate. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing to worry about, but please keep your heads down.
I'm bouncing on people's heads.
Beaker, activate the inflatomatic.
The what? You...
Hurry, Beaker, hurry.
Great! Now I can start my own football team!
Beaker, we'll have to try the vacuum Muppet. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, they're all pinky pleased and harnessed firmly.
Hey, I'm free! Taxi! All right, now I'm getting out of this place.
This way, folks. I'm sorry, but Muppet Lab seems to have been temporarily sucked up. But, what is that?
Hey, come in. See, it's my new remote control banana green pie. Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, come in. Watch this.
What? Ozzy, that's terrible.
You're right. Needs more sugar.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first musical portion of our demonstration, we have Miss Piggy in a wonderful 3D number. That's you, penguins.
Yeah, too bad you're gonna spoil it for the big.
La 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 la. Oh, sun shining bright above you. Soft breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. 3 minutes to 3 of me. Look in my eyes and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. No troubles as light bubbles on, dear. Still craving a kiss. All right, that's it. Knock it off, penguins.
But it was going so well.
I will not work with the rabbit.
But I was just doing 3D. Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
What?
Anybody, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
You are ruining this film.
Well, I was
Get
just
out.
trying to
Get
help.
out.
I didn't mean anything.
Go away.
Aw.
Go away.
Does anybody know the way out of this film? Hey, you got a map down there? Well, you come with me if you like. I just got fired and I'm running away. Terrific! Let's go. Okay.
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm going away. Forever.
Oh, great. Could you give me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? I mean, since he's going out, he could forever? Bean? Bean? Oh, Kermit? Kermit!
Hey, sweetheart, that's a great effect.
Hey, Fozzie, Kermit.
What is it?
Bean Bunny ran away.
Oh, no.
Yes, ribbons.
Hey, we gotta find him.
I
All right,
know.
everybody spread out and look for me.
Right.
I'll go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment, but in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Bean.
Bean, where are you? Bean. Bunny ran away.
Well, you know what that makes you? Smarter than us.
No. Anybody seen a bunny? I don't see a bunny. Where? Where? Hey, Kermit, look!
What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. Nobody would let me help in the movie.
This is a very moving moment. Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Hey, Bean! What are we doing sticking around here? Let's burn rubber! Who's that? He's Walt's 3D friend, and we're both leaving the movie. Right.
But Bean, if you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
Right, yeah! Fireworks? Ooh, okay, I'll stay. But I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number?
Oh gosh, maybe Bean could set off the fireworks.
That sounds great! Yeah, and I'll stay and help. I love fireworks!
Well, okay. Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to apologize for our slight technical difficulties, but I do wish to assure you that no one was hurt and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
They'll never recognize me now. Forward!
Cute ending.
Well, what do you think?
We have time to go to the bathroom before the next show?
We can't, you old fool. We're closer to the seats.
On behalf